If you're hunting for a budget-friendly, portable air conditioner this summer and stumbled across breezaacstore.com, stop and watch this video before spending your hard-earned money because what looks like a cool solution might come with some heated red flags. At first glance, Breeza AC Store seems impressive. They use flashy marketing with buzzwords like CryoFlux technology, whisper quiet operation, and energy-efficient performance. And they flaunt a glowing 4.8-star customer rating that's supposed to make you feel confident about the purchase. But when we investigated beyond the surface, the shine started to wear off quickly. First, the domain breezaacstore.com was only registered in May 2025, which means the website is extremely new, something that makes any long-term trust hard to establish. Then they boast media coverage from major platforms like CNN and MSN. But there is absolutely no credible evidence or links backing these claims, which is a major red flag. Even more alarming, the customer review section is filled with images of happy buyers that we reverse searched and found to be lifted from totally unrelated websites, a trick commonly used by scam stores to create a false sense of legitimacy. There's also no presence on Trustpilot, no independent reviews, no YouTube testimonials, and no credible third-party validation for their so-called revolutionary cooling tech. Their CryoFlux term sounds fancy, but appears to be pure marketing fluff with no actual scientific explanation or documentation available anywhere. All these factors make the site look more like a sales trap than a real customer-focused business. We're not saying with 100% certainty that Breeza AC is a scam, but we also can't recommend buying from a site that throws up this many warning signs. If you're really planning to invest in a portable AC this summer, do yourself a favor, dig deeper, look for trusted brands, verified reviews, and real customer feedback before making your decision. Stay cool, but don't get burned.